Hello fams, welcome back to my channel. Happy festive period everyone. Hope you are cool, hope you are enjoying the festive period. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to this channel. On this channel you'll be getting more of skincare tips and so many more. To join the family, kindly subscribe, like, share and click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified each time there's a video on this channel, okay? So which is free and I'll be glad you do so. On today's episode, I'm giving you a review on a lovely an amazing bar soap. Soap is not so popular like that, like it's not everywhere, but in case you come across it, you should consider getting this soap. Okay, it does wonders on the skin. It would give you a very beautiful skin tone. So it's called the Lab White Awesome Whitening Soap. Hope you can see this. They have in range, so they have in series. They have the one with the tomato, the one with the herb, have the one with the papaya. So it's depending on which one you want to go for. So this one I'm putting here is the tomato range, which is very very good. I love it. I'm talking about how this one foams. It foams really well. Okay, while using it to bath, it foams really well on the skin. It should really cleanse up your skin. It cleans up the dirt of your skin and as well brighten up, lighten up your skin. Okay, it would also help you with blemishes, help you with pigmentation, help you with wrinkles. It would help. This soap actually targets more of facial skin problem. This soap really do targets your facial issues. Okay, so it would help you with sunburn, wrinkles and all that. This is for face and body, but it works more on the face. And why I love it is that it contains some amazing ingredients. It contains tomato extract, lycopene plus vitamin E, concentrate sodium, contains tranexamic acid, collagen, papain, alpha protein, so on. It also contains glutathione, it contains kojic acid, dipamate, vitamin B3, C and E. Okay, this would really unify your skin, give you a very beautiful shade. Okay, like it would even out your skin tone. That when you see changes, not only lighten up your skin, it would help repair your skin and give you an healthy skin tone, light fair skin tone. This soap is actually made in Thailand. About skincare products, Thailand manufacturers are really trying when it comes to skincare. So it says tomato soap rich in lycopene, beta carotene, and vitamin E. Tomatoes have high vitamin content and are a rich source of the antioxidant nutrient lycopene. This is the red pigment contained in tomatoes. Lycopene counter the aging effect on the skin by cutting out the number of free radicals in your face and body. PA Skin Balancing Cleansing Bar helps you achieve clearer, smoother, pinkish, healthy skin. This unique soap formulation uses the goodness of vitamins A, B, and E in tomatoes to lighten and brighten up your skin, while pure tomato natural extract formulated to disinfect acne while keeping your skin healthy. One-time use will result to rosy white flawless skin tone. For those of you that will use one pack, two pack and drop it, then you jump into another one, you won't get benefits of product if you are doing like that. You don't use product for once or twice and you drop it and you go into another. How will you get the benefits you want from that soap? So you need to use at least for quite some time so that you'll be able to get the long time benefits from the product. And this soap is actually from Lee Cosmetic manufacturer. Okay, those that actually manufacture the Lee soap. If you're familiar with the Lee soap, I'll try to place a picture there. You know that Lee soap is actually so amazing. It's really good and it's really good for those with fair skin. Like if you use the Lee bar soap, you enjoy your skin tone. It will really unify your skin. To really give you radiant, beautiful young tone if you use Lee soap. So they're actually the manufacturer of this. If you are familiar with Lee soap, then you should be able to understand how this actually works. This soap is actually so amazing. So talking about the fragrance, it smells so amazing when using. You enjoy the fragrance. Rough skin, it will help you repair and rejuvenate your skin, which is so amazing, and it will work gradually up. It will work its way up gradually. You can see from this to this to this to this, like that. Would work gradually. It's not something that would just whiten up your skin in 2 3 days. No, so I would give you the result, but it would work slowly, slow and steady, and you get there and you will achieve a very lovely shade from this soap. So it's actually nude, no blemishes, no reaction, no irritation. Go and get this, and it's actually very cheap soap. It's you get less than 1,000 naira. So this is the tomato. So this is how it looks like in it. And on the body of the soap, it's written like there's an inscript. The name is inscripted on it. So in case you get the soap, in case you cannot get the inscripted name on the soap, okay, kindly drop the soap. It's not original. Okay, comes with baby soap, very tiny, very tiny. It's just like gift. This is like follow come gift that comes with the soap. This soap is a nursing mother. It's got a little baby. So in case you get this soap and you cannot find this baby in it, then probably they snatched the baby or you got the fake one. So this is the little baby that comes with it. I actually used to use this on my face. So I love the fragrance also. It's actually so nice. I use this on my face. Once I apply it, I wash it off. I actually don't let bar soap sit on my face for a very long time. 1 minute I wash it off because my skin is sensitive, and most time when you leave, it's not all the skin that can tolerate soap sitting on it for a long time. It can actually break out, or blemishes. You know your skin, you don't toy with it, okay? So you don't leave soap too long on your facial skin. If you, most especially those with sensitive skin, okay? If you want to use this soap on your body, make sure your body is wet, then you mask the soap on your body. That is how it will work more effectively for you. So when you mask the soap on your body, leave it for at least 3 to 5 minutes before you wash it off on your body. And you can use it every night. If you use it in the morning, make sure you're not going out under the sun. And if you're going out under the sun, make sure you're using good sunblock, sun protectant, because this is a lightning bar soap, a mild one at that. So but still you need to protect your skin from sun damage. Leave on your body for 5 minutes and you wash it. But on your face, make sure you at least leave it for 1 minute. Most especially those with sensitive skin, less than 1 minute or 1 minute you wash it off, it would still work on your face. Sensitive skin, you need to count all these minor things that you do neglect most times, and it would end up breaking out your skin and be like, is this product I'm using, meanwhile you are the one using it wrongly. Okay, be very careful, do not leave it too long. Okay, even on the small soap that comes with it, you can see Lee is written on the body. You can see Lee, the mother and the child comes like this. Not advertising the product for them. This is something I've used and it's really good on my skin. So I thought of sharing it with you. You don't want to go for something too expensive. This is a cheap soap and it does wonders on the skin. It'll give you a very beautiful, radiant, flawless skin. So if you use this product, so you can consider using this soap. If you come across it, it's very nice. And if you've used this soap before, go down to the comment section, let us know your opinion on the soap. Okay, if you've used the soap before, how it works on your skin and all that. And if you have any question on this, so go down to the comment section and drop your question. I'll answer all your questions. So guys, here is the soap. I haven't used it yet. This soap is very nice. As in, packaging is so lovely. I'm talking about the effectiveness. It's so amazing. As in, you get a very beautiful shade to help you with your pimples, sunburn, hyperpigmentation, spoil wrinkles. I cannot count everything. You can see the name is boldly inscripted on it, and it comes with a little soap, which it's nothing. So, and they also have the lotion, which is the lab white lotion. They have the one with the head yolk, they have one with the papaya and the tomato. So they also have the facial cream. If you can get the facial cream, lotion, and the soap together, you are good to go. Just make sure you're getting the original one, and you literally don't need to add serum into it. But if you want to add serum, it's fine. If you know you have a safe serum you're using, then you can divide the lotion into 2 or 3 and add serum, but do not add anyhow serum. The lotion and the face cream contains lovely ingredients and they actually melt on skin. So if you want to combine the three, the soap, the lotion, and the face cream, you are good to go, which is very mild on skin. It won't actually irritate your skin, no blemishes. You enjoy this product to give you a radiant, flawless, milky skin tone. And this product is not something that will just whiten or give you a lighter shade in no time, 2-3 days, 4-5 days. No, it will take its time and work its way up gradually. So you have to just stay consistent with the product and you enjoy your flawless, skin healthy tone. You kindly like, share, and subscribe. Then click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified each time there's a video on this channel. So bye.